Today's videos, I'm going to be going through my 5 likes about my Audi S3. So let's get into them. Alright people, what's going on? Welcome back. Today's videos, I'm going to be going through my 5 likes about my Audi S3. So let's get into them. Alright, my first like has to be the entry paddle lights on the car. Yeah, I think they're just wicked. Literally, it's just a good little gesture when you open the door. You're like, woo! The Audi rings there. I'm on the back too. Yeah, and most people not like, these are not new things. Most people when they see that for the first time, they're like, wow, what's that? How do you do that? How did you get that on your car? I mean, they're not new. They've been around for a few years now. This is my first like on my Audi. Yeah. Let's get into the second one. So my second like has to be the child lock button. These 2 buttons here. I mean, you just click either one and it just completely disables the electronics in the back door. So from the windows, you can't open the windows, you can't open or shut the doors. So these 2 buttons here are a cool little feature if you have kids. So yeah, it just disables all electronics to the back door and back windows from the inside. So when these are enabled, you cannot get in or out from the inside. You cannot open the window from the inside. So yeah, a nice little feature there. So that's my second like. Alright people, so my third like for the car would be the wireless charging system. So I think it's the wireless charging system works with I think iPhone 8 and above. So yeah, simple. Lift up the armrest, pop it in, and it starts charging. Continue on with your journey, driving, listening to music, radio, whatever. Also, the good thing I like about the wireless charging system, obviously you can enjoy your drive so much. Obviously when you get to your destination, like most people, they tend to forget that they're left their phone in the car. But the good thing about this system is that it alerts you that your phone's still in the car. So if I was to take that, your mobile phone is still in the vehicle. So I don't know if you guys heard that. So let's try that again. So yeah, it alerts you that your mobile is still in the vehicle. So literally, you got stress. Simply lift up the armrest. Just get lit up waiting for you to just grab it. Grab your phone, then you're on your way. That will be my third like. So let's get into the fourth one. Alright guys, so my fourth like has to be the fact that Audi have placed a few emergency essentials around the car in their own little compartments. Essentials such as first aid kit. I don't know, you never know when you need these things, but it's good that they have put this in there. They've even got a compartment at the back here. You can see in there, little flip there. They're even giving you a high-vis jacket As I was saying, people, yeah, you never know when you might find yourself in them desperate situations, so it's good to have things like that on board. They've even put a triangle, like a warning hazard triangle at the back in the boot, in the panel of the boot, so you just pull it out. I think you have to put it like 100 meters from the vehicle to let other vehicles know that there's a hazard up ahead. So yeah, they put that in as well. So yeah, that's my fourth like. Yeah, let's get into the fifth and final. Alright guys, so my fifth and final like has to be the virtual cockpit in the Audi S3. If I'm honest, I just prefer the virtual cockpit. It just looks so modern and up to date, rather than the old school analog dials. It looks nice. The functions you can do in it as well are kind of good as well. Because before, obviously, when you had the old school analog dials, you would have to run your sat navigation through the pop-up dash. I mean, you still have the option to do it in this as well. Whereas if you want to drive and put like a music video on or watch a movie for your passenger's sake, you can do that. You can have the movie running up there and just have the sat navigation running through the virtual cockpit, which is pretty neat. Yeah, it's just proper, pretty nice and pretty decent. Audi have got it spot on, in my opinion. But yeah, this is my fifth and final like on my Audi S3. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, peeps. Take care.